Hello everyone. I have a problem with the handle of a metal plastic door. The handle closes halfway, then it sticks and doesn't want to close. If I press the lock with my hand, the handle closes well with the door open. And also, the handle turns up perfectly. I put the handle in the middle. From this situation, it becomes clear that the trunnion clamps are faulty. I have a total of 5 of them on the door frame. Most likely, one of the clamps has become deformed, and therefore it is very difficult for the pin to enter the opening. In order to find out which clamp is deformed, they all need to be removed. Next, put on the clip one at a time and decide which one is not working by closing the handle. Using a regular Phillips screwdriver, I unscrew the screws on the clamp and pull it out. This way, I remove all the clamps. Now I close the door, move the handle down and up. The handle rotates perfectly. Now I put the clips in place one by one, close the door and turn the handle down. Now I'm putting on the next clip. As a result, it turned out that the lowest corner clamp was not working. Now I need a file. I need to sharpen the outside with it. In order for the axle to enter here unhindered. I file this clamp well on both sides. I have already put the clamp in its place. Now we look at how the handle closes or opens with the door closed. As you can see, the handle now begins to close and open perfectly. Thank you for your attention. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.